Hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful, stylish, elegant and decent collection of hand embroidery designs. Guys, as you all of could see that all of these designs are totally based on one type of fabric color, that is blue. On your massive demand, I have been sharing with you a very beautiful, elegant, decent and eye-catchy collection of navy blue, royal blue and different shades of blue dresses. So blue is the new sexy and blue is the new black. As you know that black color has its all-time favorite elegancy, and blue, especially darker tones of blue like dark blue, navy blue, midnight blue and blackish blue are the shades that give mesmerizingly eye-catchy reflexive look to the wearer. So this video collection is in the continuation of my previous video, into which I have shared a very beautiful collection of wide variety of design ideas that are specifically based on blue color, and you have given a very warm response and you loved all the design collections, because of which I decided to share some more design collections onto blue color. The beauty and creativity of this collection and video is that they are two-dimensional, that is, you can use them equally for hand embroidery as well as for machine embroidery. The creativity is not only limited to this, the creativity extends itself in the dimension that they are both equally Eastern as well as Western stylized patterns. So you can embroider them onto your shirts, kameez, kurti, even onto your short length, onto your midi length dresses like midi dress, like bodycon dress. Even you can embroider them onto your normal everyday comfortable shirts, crew neck shirts, sweatshirts, t-shirts or any type of shirts that are totally independent on the basis of seasonal fabric. So creativity and uniqueness of these designs make them more beautiful, and the beauty of these patterns is that they are easy and user friendly, that is, a hand embroidery beginner can easily make them. So do watch the video till end and keep supporting us, keep loving us as you always have been, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos. And with your love and support we can continue to grow. Hope to see you soon back in my channel with the new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care and stay tuned for the more upcoming new designs.